you're just pushed in, huh?
Yeah, stern tag line's going up now.
Anything, we're just all off up here. Every time I pull to the west, sending that stern flying over.
Fire's going up now.
I'm still, you're good.
Head towards the dock of the stern.
Base ship's pushing to the north.
South to the dock seems like about 50 and then about 70.
Yeah, we ready for the Donald to start pulling around?
More north than anything. Against first 15, but that's alright. We got some rubber here. Just the southwest pole there, Donnie. Opened up to about 3 feet off first 15. Bow's tied up against 15. Left way going. Looks like we are starting to open up a little bit here on the bow. Opened up to about 4 feet, slowly opening south. Bow is opening about a foot off the tires.
She's staying steady. She's not making a west pull.
Yeah, I'd probably just get straight ahead of her and pull her straight out. Be 6 feet, slowly opening south off first 15.
6 feet.
To about 10 feet off first 15 bodily. Might be 15 towards the stern. And a really, 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 really slow west way here. Here's Donnie.
You got about 20 feet between the McCarthy and the course.
We're not making no west pull. It's down the J. We have to pull over.
About 15 feet off of first 15. And yeah, almost no west way.
You can try to go north a little bit with the pole on it, please.
Good west way going now. And you're open up 15 or about 20 off of the west end of 15 on the bow here.
Center of the court here, if we can try to catch that from falling south anymore.
Check as you're going west here. Try to help that bow from drifting too far to the south as well. Open up to about 30, 35 off of 15 on the west end.
First on that Donnie, he's going to get the stern to open up more.
North.
Donald, yeah, they just keep taking her west.
Yeah.
Full pole, please.
Full pole on a jack.
They opened up to about 40 off of the end of berth 15.
Could you push a little bit on the stern? Push it north a little bit?
On the north side.
We got the aft end of the court caught it, slowly going north.
Ready to make that call. From where I'm standing, it looks like you got her stopped, slowly creeping north, which is alright. Now you're holding at about 40 open off the end of 15 with a nice west way going.
Exactly. That's good. Looks good.
5 off on the bow of the cord on the end of 15. Stern, you're slowly closing north, which is alright. We got room to adjust if we need to. End of 15. Opened up to about 50, 55. West way going good. Looks good on my end. 40 feet here on the west end of 15. I got the tug base ship here if we need to push them. So Donnie, I just stay straight. Looks like she's just slowly creeping to the north here on the stern, but looks good from here.
I think you're parallel
Into the north here on the stern, but that's alright. Nothing too worried now, but she's looking pretty good. About 30 off on the bow on the west end.
25-30 on the stern on the court.
Got Johnny here on the west end if he needs to push her to the north, he can. So Jackie, if you want to just favor a little south pole to keep her from going too far north.
Alright, roger.
Yet, midship just getting ready to pass the edge of 15. Another 45 feet, 50 feet to go before midship's out of 15. Like she's bodily holding still, if anything, lightly drifting south. About 30, 35 off of 15. It's holding about 20 off of first 15. Getting ready to close to the north here. It's alright though. She's holding steady, slowly drifting, but looking really good. If you just want to ride against that bow, I'll just check it south if I need to.
Standing by here if you need me.
Phase, and right now it looks like our bow is going to the north. Stern's drifting to the south, so Jackie, if you want to pick up a slight north pull to keep it from drifting too far, then yeah, Gainer, just get up against it, just ride with it for now. So midship will be out of the edge of 15, got a long ways to go yet. About 40, 45 off the edge of 15, 15 to 20.
And bows, it's a little closing in, but we're still looking good. Still going well.
Elevating Door County's beauty, one flight at a time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.